What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today just want to do a quick video. So for those of you guys that don't know and that are new to the channel and everything, I have a 2015 Roush Mustang, full bolt-on intake manifold, 2018 intake manifold ported, long tubes injectors, E85, and tuned by Relentless Tunes. Recently came across a PMAS cold air. Got it for pretty cheap. So, and the only reason why I got it for cheap was because I guess they're pretty common for this. They crack right here. So did a quick fix on it and everything, smoke tested it, does not leak. Also gonna make my own bracket because I did not know when you order these new they came with the bracket that actually move the coolant reservoir tank over just maybe an inch or so, maybe less. So also gonna make my own bracket. How to install this, already went ahead and installed the heat shield. I mean, it's really not gonna do much, as you can see. So anyways, gonna do that. I'm gonna show the whole remote process with Relentless Tunes, but the tune is already loaded in the car. I did that prior, so I'm actually gonna go cut that piece, we'll put it on, and then we'll continue showing the process of putting this on and data logging and everything in the car. Alrighty, so I already made the bracket. Don't worry, it works, it fits, hood still closes. Good on that. Now it's time to put the PMAS on. Now, like I said, this did come, I don't think I said it earlier, I don't know if I did or not, but this did come off of a GT350, so I'm gonna have to tighten this tighter than I normally would, but we'll see. Now, if I'm not mistaken, it just goes on like normal. Move that out of the way. That should slide down like that. This is the MAF sensor. Plug that in. Lock it. Put this on. Okay. So I'm gonna tighten it down. Do that. Like it's holding on pretty good there. So now I am kind of iffy with that, just because, like I said, it did come from a bigger throttle body, so it should work fine. Get starting it, set up the data logger, and go from there. Alrighty, so I just made sure I got everything on here. Everything's on here that Mondo wanted. So let's go ahead and start the car. Alrighty, so I am recording or logging. Got all set up there, and we'll just drive. Different. Holy fuck. Wow. I felt completely different. Holy shit, that felt weird. I don't think it's ever pulled in third that hard. More, and then take it back, send the logs over to Mondo, see what he says. Clutch is slipping bad. send these to Mondo. Hopefully everything's correct, and then we'll come back out later tonight and go from there. All right, so it's the next day, and Mondo has sent me another revision. He said everything looked really good. Now he did say, I don't know if you guys can read it. I don't think it's focused. Anyways, it does say just need some driving around on this one. Add coolant and inlet air temp to the data log. So a lot of you guys that have HP tuners and gauge, there's a little star up in the left corner. Click the star, it actually saves it as a favorite type of thing, and then it will read, when you data log it, it will read that certain thing. I'm gonna flash this tune on here and add everything on. Alright, this is simply just do it. You go to tuning. Sorry, I doing this one hand. Tuning, low tune. That's the base map. This is the second one. Check mark it, flash tune. Approximately 3 minutes. Alright, it's doing it. So we'll get back with you right when it's finished flashing. Alright, there we go. That was actually pretty quick than I thought it would be. So I'm just gonna push the check. Let's turn off the key for 10 seconds. I'm gonna start the car now. Car is loud. Gauges, connect. Sorry if it's not focusing. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. There we go. And then I go to here, signal. I'm not gonna change anything. I'm just gonna add. He said coolant temp and inlet air temp. See that little star? Hit it. Boom. And then intake air temp. Done. And we should be all good to go. I have lambda on here, knock, everything. So this one, I believe it's like that because I believe I have another connection going bad. But it does kick on once I start. All right, so now I got everything set. I'm actually gonna move it from there. Gonna let the car warm up a little bit more, and then we're gonna go out for the drive. I'm gonna cut the video there. I'm just gonna add this in here. I mean, after this, it was just basic driving around. Mondo had the tune in pretty dialed. That same day, I went out just to drive around, cruise around for a little bit, and my clutch actually completely gave out on me. I have very little clutch pedal left. I went for a 2-3 shift, and clutch stuck to the floor, and it locked me out of third. So I already knew my clutch was going out. I've known for a while after the many track events and doing my crazy launches on the bias ply tire, it was going bad already. At this point, the car is going to be down for a couple months. Now the clutch I am going with is a Mantic twin disc. I am getting the car ready for boost. Car is going to be boosted pretty soon. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I kind of hated to end on a bad note like this, but I know I said it's the end of every video, but we do have more cars being added to the channel. Got a drift build coming, got another Mustang full bolt-on coming, got a full bolt-on Charger wide body scat pack coming. So from the clutch slipping and going out on me, oh well. Saying I've always told myself is don't stop, keep going. I'm not gonna stop or replace this clutch, keep going. Alright guys, so actually from now on that's gonna start being my saying. I know it's kind of copying off of some other creators, but I've always been told this. No matter what, didn't matter what happened in life or what, but don't stop and keep going. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye.